What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mr. G.D.I.Y. back with another video, man. Hey, I know it's been a long time, it's been a while, but we here, man. Just got something slight today, man. Just got some little improvements I gotta do. Got some situations going on, so we're gonna try to work on that with this wiring. I'm gonna show y'all in a second. Hold tight. All right, so I had a little situation with the fans, the way the fans was wired up. I had them run into a fuse, which is one fuse line when I should be running two. That's a whole nother thing, but anyway, so I took all the stuff off, and I was just doing something. I happened to see this, like, oh shit, it's pulling too much amperage on them, and it started to melt them, you know what I'm saying? I said, oh yeah, I definitely need to switch that up. So just a little here, but it's pulling too much amp. So I'm about to switch it up, switch the wiring harness up. New amps, I got high relays. This is what I got. So I'm gonna run this with the 60 amp relay, and I'm gonna do better wiring. So that's what we're doing today. All right, so there's some time later. Here's what we got. A little stuff. I ran another line right here, going down, and I connected some of the new wires. Don't worry, all this be covered up. This will be loomed up and stuff like that. And I just gotta finish adding a couple new lines over here, and we'll test it out. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a second. I don't want to bore y'all with all this stuff. So, all right, so YouTube, we back. Got it hooked back up. Gotta test it out. I'll room this up later, but I got everything hooked up. I should be good. I'm gonna test it out and see what's up. Alright, so yeah, YouTube, as you can see, I got it hooked back up running. Fan number one on. It came on 195. I think everything gonna be good. I just had to run two separate lines for the fuse, both of them, 1 and 2. So, you know, just a little work, man. But yeah, we outside. I think I'm getting outside this summer with what I got. I ain't doing all that other extra stuff, but sometimes them shops get backed up, you don't know where to start. You gotta do it yourself. It's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y. We here, man. We outside, man.